family-owned coach operator Richard Bros has completed a major workshop investment with Totalkare, equipping its maintenance facility with a comprehensive range of heavy-duty workshop equipment to support the continued reliability and performance of its fleet. Based in Cardigan, Richard Bros has been providing passenger transport services for more than 90 years with its fleet of buses and coaches. As the business continues to invest in its fleet and facilities, it has partnered with Totalkare to create a modern workshop capable of supporting its long-term maintenance requirements. The new installation includes a set of 48 DC cable-free mobile column lifts, a 25,000 kilograms capacity, 10-meter platform Y-MECH lift, a mobile brake tester, and a heavy-duty tyre changer. Together, the equipment provides Richard Bros with a complete workshop solution, enabling technicians to carry out lifting, brake testing, and tyre servicing safely and efficiently in-house. Wireless T8 DC mobile column lifts offer maximum flexibility for servicing buses and coaches, while the Y-MECH lift provides a robust platform for larger vehicles and more demanding maintenance tasks. Complementing the lifting equipment, the mobile brake tester delivers accurate, compliant brake testing without the need for a permanent installation, and the tyre changer allows the workshop team to efficiently handle heavy commercial vehicle wheels. The new workshop has now been fully commissioned and is supporting Richard Bros' day-to-day maintenance program, reinforcing the company's long-standing commitment to safety, operational excellence, and exceptional passenger service.